little. Yes. Yes, okay. They did another 10. This time I'm like from higher. I picked up a little long again on ASST. Again, 1,100 shares, so it's not bad. Site Mobile trying to make a news again for the upteenth time. Site is trying to move after that ER. Not yet moving. Should be moving. Should be cruising. Not really breaking out yet. Sitting there.
That's your internet, Raj. It's not working.
Yeah, it's the internet. I can see it. It's the internet. It's the internet, but it's been like that in the entire area. Nothing I can do. I mean, I have fastest internet possible, but that's just how it works. Come on, break 10 ASSD. It's sitting there at 990. What the heck? Are you serious? Yeah, of course. Just sitting there. And then here comes reclaim sell. Jesus. I mean, 993, they're just trying to touch that 10. Come on, 1080 is your area. Go, blast it. Go, blast it, man. Not down. It's gonna come down again. I'll pick it up at the bottom. I'll pick it at the bottom again. Sigma has an open, right? Oh, it's opening at 285 already. SGMA opening at 285 already, guys. So we can't do anything with it, all right? SGMA, we can't do anything. It's opening at 285. If you get 230 entry, jump on it quickly. Sell it for 30 cents, 12% if you can. The SSD is annoying now. It's right at the entry point right now. 43, 4%, 3%, 1.5%. Whatever. Is it still working okay, guys? The live feed, or do I need to turn it off?
Hold on, let me check. Yep, working both one.
Okay, nice. Here's the chart from yesterday, and I mentioned how QBTS is headed where it's headed, right?
So you're gonna buy a dip buy, right?
Yeah. Yep. I'll wait for it. I'll wait for like 9, a little bit under 9. I mean, I'm okay with the 58 average right now. Let's see if it comes up. Small size, okay? Even I have like only like 1100 shares in it. That's what I started with earlier too. Went to 9 something and then didn't move up. But this is a reclaim, but reclaim needs to move up. There's 58 again. Let's go. Crush it. There we go. Come on. Come on. Yes. Crush. Crush it. 145K. Go.
But FYI, your Twitter is not working, but YouTube is working.
I think it's fine. Just leave it at YouTube right now. It just
Yeah.
It's 30 minutes. I'll probably keep resetting. It'll be like not fun. Yeah, I think it's the internet. That's what's causing a little issue. Yeah, guys, SGMA open is straight at 3. Nothing we can do. That's exactly where it was supposed to go. $3, right? It was supposed to go $3. It went straight to $3. People are just so greedy. They won't even let it open. You know? I wonder when it's in halt, how come people have placed order at like 290 and 3? I mean, are they seriously dumb? Are they seriously nuts? SRPT, let's take a look. SRPT. Never mind on that. Sorrento, Sarpeta Therapeutics, not us. That's crazy how it did SGMA exactly 3. Boom. 180 straight to 3. So I was going to show you guys where I spoke. Site, So look at this. Swing long. This was yesterday, Tuesday, May 20th. Took it at our target of 17. Right there. 16, whatever. 17 near 17. Rest holding for 19. Did it hit 19? Check it out. Check it out. 1945. Buy the dip again. It's going to go back 20 today. It's not coming down yet. It's not coming down yet.
SHAK Shake Shack and Penn Entertainment team up to bring popular burger brand to 10 Penn properties. That's Sandy Hotel up a kilo, Papa Echo November. Shares of Shake Shack right now down about $1.23. SHAK.
SGMA.
SGMA, keep going. Looks like ASSD will come up.
ZKIN shares popping and then pulling back
ZKIN.
as the company plans to raise up to $1 billion from holders of Ripple's XRP by offering ZKIN warrants that can be exchanged. That's ZKIN.
ZKIN went up 460, straight down, crashed in no time. They're trying to raise $1 billion. Looks like ASSD doesn't want to move right now.
DFDV, DeFi.
It's been very stubborn at 10. Very stubborn.
Confirming their 7-for-1 reverse stock split that was effective yesterday. That's Delta Foxtrot, Delta Victor.
There is no roof on that, but there is roof. There is highs on it.
Oh, there's plenty of roof. ZKIN went into red now. It's about to go in red. ZKIN. ZKIN just couldn't hold it. It just went in red. I was watching it at 370. It's at 330. It's like a little tempted to chase it, but then I said the news is 1 billion. They're trying to raise 1 billion, and I was like, okay, let's just sit, relax, wait. Is it gonna break 10 this time, guys? What do you say? Is it going to break 10 this time? ASST, let's go. It's at 970. Anybody's fearing, then don't be in it.
Small size of
It's 990 now, so 960 to 990.
XRAY, then
Not ordered just yet. Needs to break this time. Still not breaking. Still needs a candle of 300K. ASSD needs a candle of 300K. Wow, look at 325 now. ASSD is still not breaking, guys. It's still not breaking 10. Needs a 300K. Right now they're at 150K candle. 150K candle. They need something special there. There's 990 again.
Break it.
Break it.
You said EDBL in the 570s?
Yeah, just looking at it, not trading it just yet. There's 1040, guys. 1040, 1040. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm taking 1020. All right. From 958 to 1020, guys. I took it on ASSD. There we go. 1040. It's all there. Everything is there. Everything is there. 1040 now. 1040. Just a few hundred shares. That's here and there. That's all. But it did what we were looking for. It did what we were looking for, guys. I wish we had the 1030 average, 930 average, but 958 is still pretty good. I don't mind. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 1080 is a number. 1080 is a number. 1080 is a number, guys. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Side I dumped 60 cents. Keep going, 8%. Keep going, baby. Don't hold. Say boom, boom. 2 candle. Guys, falls below 1050, get out. I mean 950, get out. You know, comes back near your average, get out. So I've done 2 longs on it. Nicely, right? Guess it's 950, get out. Close it. Goes to 1080. Keep something for 13. Keep something for 13. There it comes. 1080 was the number on this long. 1080 is the first number. What's the next number? 14. There's only 2 numbers on ASSD. Push it up, push it up, push it up. Oh, one more push, baby. Put on a show here. Come on. It's waiting to put on a show. Problem is RSI hasn't come down below and hold the price. Its RSI is still up, so there's more to drop. That's what I'm afraid of. And drop could be at 960 itself. And I wouldn't like that. I'd get out anyway. Come on, go. So the problem is RSI at 1020 should have been right around 58. That means up. That means shooting it up like a star. What they are doing is, it's not selling, it's the price that's holding at 1020, 1030. Means it's going to drop when it hits 58 from 70. RSI is holding at 17. That's not good. That's not good. This is not good. For a big mover, they needed to bring the RSI. Buying needed to stop. Selling needed to just hold. That's what a good mover looks like. This is not. Right now, this is not. This is not a good mover. And again, price action is as accurate as 60% only. 65%. Look at ZKIN, it is in red, 12%. ZKIN, if you're not believing, I said it was going in red, it was at 370, it's at 290 now. I think the move is over on ASST, at least for now. I'm gonna get all out. I'm all out of ASST. I can always pick it from the bottom. Now they're doing a little bit better. Now they're doing a little bit better. Dropping the prices a little. They should have done this a little while ago. But I'm all out. And I'm gonna regret saying I didn't hold it till like 950 was my stop. I didn't hold it when the stock is at 14, right? Well, I'll pick it up again, guys. I'll pick it up again. Hey, I'm up nearly $3,000, so I'm okay. Fubo still at 20%, guys. Fubo. But at least we know. Yesterday we were long in EDBL.
SX fell up 66 shares, off the lows now 119, 69, down $1.21. Elliott, activist investor, winning 2 board seats in proxy fight at Phillips according to Reuters.
Now ASST is looking better. When they're holding and kept it above 70 and the price held, that was no good. Now they have brought the RSI to 60. They probably will do a little more dip, a little more, just to 970 maybe, 970. Dip should happen 970. Between 990 and 974. That's what the dip should be for. It's not going to go 950, 930. 974 and 990. That's how far it should dip as of now. But the RSI is perfect, more beautiful than before. Before they were not letting it drop below 70. Now they're letting it drop. Look, even though the price is holding, but the RSI is dropping consistently. You see, price is still holding at 1010, but the RSI is at 60. They're going to move the price, but the RSI is not going to move. Watch. It's still going to be 1010, and RSI is going to be at 58.59. Watch. And that's a mover. That's a mover. Look at that. I'm telling you. 58 RSI and 1010. Same thing, which was at 64, 1010. RSI is 58. When they drop it like this, that means a move up is coming. EDBL, you can go long from here. I wouldn't touch it. This is a long from here now. EDBL. This is the area on EDBL. Right at 590, I'll tell you why. Let me show it to you exactly why. And then of course you have to take your stops. Okay, nothing is permanent. You have to take your 10% stop if it fails. These are price actions. This is where you need to be. These are bottoms. This is where it takes off. So that's a very crucial line right at 590 on EDBL. EDBL goes to 530, it's done. It's going to keep dropping and dropping and dropping. Especially when it breaks 440, it's absolutely done. EDBL. Everything comes up with a stop loss. Everything. Doesn't matter how good you are. Most people forget, I'm telling hey, this is an entry, but there's also a stop loss. So if you get in at 590, where's your stop loss? 59 cents, 60 cents from there. Reassess it. I wish we could play without a stop losses, right? But that's not a stock market. So anyway, guys, there you go. ASST, I told you just now it's going to move from here. 990 and 974 was the area to move from. And you're going to watch this. I said this. You're going to watch it now. They still need a 300K candle though. They still need 300K candle. First 300 candle takes it to 1080. But that's how you create a room on RSI. 58, price 1010. Did I say that 2 minutes ago? That's an RSI. That's a move. That's a long, right? At that point, here comes 200K. 300K will take it over. Look at RSI is still at 60 and the stock is at 1025. That's how you read this thing. Okay, now somebody's selling. I think it's going to hold. It's going to hold. It's going to hold in this area for a little bit. 970 still, they're going to hold. Again, there's no 300K candle. There's 300 sell candle, but the price will hold. Price will hold. Unless it becomes a whole body candle, which is just about did actually. Then this means a little more dip. Little more dip. That means 970 is going to be coming into effect. It's at 990 right now. That's like almost like a hammer. But the best rejection is not this. Best rejection needs to be green with a tail. So this is a better rejection right here with the tail. This is a better rejection, even though it went up, came down. This is not a rejection. As far as rejection goes, it's a good hammer though. It's a good hammer because it's nearly a full body. So if it goes, it should technically come down to, again, 974. This area right here. Because they did full body, 974 is almost certain, and then 947. So it should hang in between this area before it was 990. Based on this last candle, this is where it's supposed to hang out and then move from. So let's say 960 could be an entry. Don't look at each candle as a reclaim unless there's a 300k candle. That's when it's going up. If it's not there, this is not going up. That 10 is not going up. It's a 100k candle, pretty good price move. Pretty good price move. SLXN. Still, that's a positive sign, but 120k candle, good price move. SLXN. Still on the long side though. SLXN 1 million. SLXN short at 129. Would that be up 40%? No. So the next best is 141 on SLXN. Till there's a 300k candle, ASST is not breaking out. SLXN, guys, it's almost 9 o'clock. Just relatively only 2 longs on ASST, basically, that's what it is. 1 short would be nice on SLXN, but it's failing big time. It's just going home. So ASST is in a hold pattern. Volume fading, price drop, volume fading, price drop, 947. Cancer types beyond pancreatic cancer. Wow, what a stupid news, huh? That's a positive news. But they didn't say phase 1, phase 2, right? Preclinical study. Maybe we should buy this one and keep it for swing long. Volume is fading right now. It's becoming weaker, ASST. All that drama on this space the other day went to $7. It's back at $4. It's gonna go back at $2. It was Monday, right? Monday. Space was running. So EDBL, at some point I would be looking for short today, not longs. But I have to pick the highs. I have to pick 780. I have to pick 1080. Those are the numbers. Let it create huge ranges. Like there is a range. And it does have an ability to drop 80 cents as of now. So it went to 685, went to 590, right? Earlier it went to 611 and it dropped to 5. So it does have an ability to drop anywhere between 80 to 90 cents. So Pike would be helpful. As of now, they're looking to go ahead and get into the 7s. And if it drops, oh boy, 5 is the stop. So I don't know if you get into 590, you gotta stop at 550. Because if it breaks 563, you know what's gonna happen. Sorry, if it breaks 565, that means it's going to 5. This EDBL. I'm tempted on ASSD. There got to be a candle coming up now. There got to be a mover right now, guys, on ASSD. 957. It's a long, FYI. ASSD is a long. It's about to break this. It's gonna break now. It's gonna break. It's gonna break, guys. 150K candle. It's breaking. 250. 300 is coming. 300K candle is here. 300K candle is here. On ASSD, guys. 300K candle is here on ASSD. 400 candle is here. $400K candle is here, guys. And right after that, so that's a green candle with the tail. Again, that's just a 65% probability of what's happening here.
SKYX, exclusive to Benzga. SKYX tells Benzga company collaborates with a $3 billion mixed-use urban smart home city project in Miami to supply its advanced plug-in smart home platform technologies via first project.
SKYX. Go ASSD, go, prove it. 1080. And then take off. SKYX will be short into 220s. Right at 220 you can see this. Even 191, but I'd prefer anything over 10, over 2. It's a 155, 6% up. They're trying to make a news on SKYX. 220 areas are short area. Whiskey Oscar Kilo. Whiskey Oscar Kilo. Woke is offering at 50 cents. Never mind.
MSI Motorola Solutions, their $4.5 billion deal for radio maker Silvus. That's from Bloomberg. That's Michael Sandy, India.
GCL put an alarm, guys. GCL at 320. Put an alarm. Put an alarm on GCL.
Therapeutics announcing initiation of drug
DRMA. $0.84. They're trying to make a news on DRMA.
PTPI, Petros Pharmaceuticals, received notification of trading suspension on the NASDAQ. Plans to transition to OTC markets. That's Papa Tango Papa India. PTPI.
Guys, nothing to trade for now.
Shares of Petros Pharma hit 21 cents earlier, now at 12 cents, dropping here as the stock moving to the OTC markets from the NASDAQ.
SGMA held, guys. This one just went into red. 15, 18%, whatever. Guys, guess what? ASST is doing.
Asset entity spiking again here at $10.82. Alpha Sandy San
That has hit 1080, guys. That has hit 1080 again. Good morning, Jennifer. There is a 500K candle has hit 1080.
Good morning, Grinch.
So I have gone 3 times long on this one, and I have come up with little trumps on all of them. On ASST, that's been my go-to. I have not traded. I think I took a position in EDBL. Did I not? I think I did. Yeah, I've taken position in EDBL long as well, guys. My entry is not too far. It's only 612. 612, half a size entry. But remember, 1080. What is after 1080 on ASSD? 14. 14. 14, guys. 14. HYHLYN. And if I get to like 680, 670, you know I'll take profit, right? And I'll get out. All right, guys, I'm going to be turning off our live feed. You can join our Discord room if you like. You can go to the website. You can actually sign up for a trial if you need to. I'll put it up for you guys to do it. Right. HLYN, right? HLYN. So you guys can join in, but there's 3 longs right there, 1 long. So isn't it funny? Most people still don't get this. So you get in at 920, you sell at 990. How much is that? 70 cents. Okay, you average to 950 and you sell it 1020s average, right? So how much is that? 70 cents. You get in at 1020, you sell it at 1080. How much is that? 60 cents. So 70 cents, 70 cents, and 60 cents. Is that $2? I think so. Consistently same size, $2. And the stock hasn't moved $2. You're still trading. Well, technically it has moved $1.80, but you did $2 without taking that risk. Buy the dip, sell at the top. I already sold it at the top. So, you know, if it goes to 14, I'm not worried about it. I'll buy another dip somewhere else and I'll keep increasing it. Stock is going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. Just that you have to be good enough to get in and take your desired area at that point. That's all. You know, 1080 was my desired area. I could have sat from $9.20 to 1080. Right now it's headed toward 14. But there's going to be dips. There's going to be buys. There's going to be dips. There's going to be buys. It's how you play it. Anyway, you can head over to HammerXTraders. There's a 5-day trial. You know, we do live on these channels on our social media. Again, we are not asking you to take any trades with us. You can do your own thing. You can check it out, how we do 93%. That's all it is. So there's going to be dips on SST. There's going to be dip on everything. EDBL. It's how you play it, how you balance it out. It's at 611. Here's EDBL. Taking the entry. It's exactly at my entry. And it's fine. At this point, I know that I got to build before I stop out at 535. I got to build another area right around here, 565. So I can have an average of 590. 590 to 535. And if I can add and cut, I'll be more than happy to give that. But I'm long for now. It is 70% up. It has run overnight. It does big dilution. I'm looking for short on that one. I just wanted to get one long. That's it. And then I should be looking for a short all day on EDBL. Yesterday, I looked only for long on EDBL. Today, I'm looking for short. Majority of time, I'm looking for short. In fact, I'm thinking about leaving EDBL. In fact, I am going to leave it. Let's see if I can get 3,300 shares out for 40 cents gain here. So I am letting my size go, guys. Not feeling comfortable holding this. So I've let it go. I just looked at 915. I'm primarily looking for short. I will go one time long on EDBL. I just sold all my size. So I have nothing left. My thing is, it's going to go 680, 670. It's going to flop as soon as the market opens. That's what I was hoping for. But I mean, what if it does 640 and drops it all the way, and then it just keeps dropping? So today I'm looking for short. My mindset is going to be short on this, and I built out at the wrong time, right? Look at that. That's how it happens. Anyway, guys, have a good one. Talk to you guys later. Look at that, 640 from 612. Just build out absolutely. But it happens all the time. It happens. It never say never. You know, there's some good plays as well, all day long. But anyway, please like and subscribe our channel. Look at that. Oh ho 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 ho! That's a dilution. That is, somebody please confirm that's a dilution, guys. Please confirm that is a dilution. That is a dilution. That is a dilution, guys. Somebody please in the room find out ASAP. That is a dilution. Now I feel happy that I bailed out. I can't be happier. I bailed out just in the nick of time. Anybody? Is that a dilution? That is a dilution, guys. Ooh, that is a dilution, guys. That is a dilution. Anyway, I'm turning off live.